Hello children, welcome to Social Studies digital class. How are you all? Yes, I hope you are all fine. Are you all curious to listen to the class today? Let us before that recall what you have discussed in the previous class. In the previous class, you have discussed about the forest, using and protecting the forest. Children, you have learnt that forests are important part of our life. They should be protected and they should be planted more so that it will be useful for the human race for the development and growth aspects. Children, forests grow on the surface of the soil and they are very useful. Similarly, there are also some natural resources which grow deep inside the soil and which are immensely useful to us. They are useful for the human race for the growth and development. What are those? Can you guess, children? Yes, they are minerals. So today you are going to learn about the minerals and mining. Children, let us try to understand what are minerals and mining. Before that, let us recall what are you going to learn in this class. Minerals in our houses, renewable and non-renewable resources. Some important mineral resources and their uses. Minerals in Telangana, mining the minerals and to whom do the minerals belong. Children, now you must be thinking what are the minerals? Is it not? Yes. So, let us go for some of the slides which make you to understand what are the minerals. So, watch these pictures carefully, children. You must have seen the walls of the houses being built with the bricks. Is it not? You must have also seen sand and mud. Even clay, cement also utilized for the construction of the houses. You might have also seen the whitewashing of the house using the white lime. Is it not, children? Children, you might have observed the floor being paved with the Kadapa stones or granite. You might have also seen the granite stones used for the pillars, construction of the pillars. Children, there are certain objects which are made up of the aluminium, iron, copper, lead. So many things such as utensils, and there are number of articles made up of iron such as the almaras, the boards, the furniture and so on. We also can see the electrical equipment made up of copper, and lead is being used for pigmentation and even for it is used for the car battery also. Children, you also might be wearing the ornaments made up of gold and silver. Isn't it, children? Yes. And we use petrol and diesel for the purpose of transportation to move from one place to another place. And even we use kerosene for the domestic purposes. Children, we use coal, gas and kerosene for transportation and domestic purpose. See the coal here. Yes, how is it? It is black. Yes, and here is the gas. And we also use kerosene sometimes for cooking in the rural areas. Children, we also use the underground water for the farming purpose and also for the domestic use. Farmers generally go for agriculture and they draw out the water from underground, and also they go for the people generally use the water for the domestic use. Children, now you must be confused. What are these? Even the groundwater is also the mineral. So let us understand the definition of the minerals. So what are minerals? Anything which obtains naturally from under the earth, which is not in the form of plants or animals. They are called as minerals. So anything that obtains naturally and which is from the earth, down under the earth, and which is not the form of the plant and animal. Such things, such objects can be called as minerals. So examples of minerals, just also before this we have discussed, are mud, sand, limestone, kadapa stone or granites, iron, copper, lead, chrome, aluminium, gold, silver, petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal, gas, groundwater, which we obtain from the bore wells, is also a mineral itself. Children, now let us discuss the kinds of minerals. Minerals are of two kinds. They are the metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Do you know what are the differences between the metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals? Metallic minerals are composed of one or two or more than that the metallic elements, and they are present in the raw form and obtained from the ores. Means in one single mineral there are two or more than two metallic elements are present, and these minerals are also shining. For example, you can take iron, copper, gold, and even you take the example of silver, which is also shining, and even they are good conductor of electricity. Whereas non-metallic minerals, they are procured from rocks and minerals. Again, we cannot extract anything from the non-metallic minerals. They do not contain any metal substances and they even don't shine. Examples of such non-metallic minerals are mica, coal, limestone, etc. Children, I hope you have understood the difference between the metallic and non-metallic minerals. So here is a small activity for you. Classify the following minerals into metallic and non-metallic and energy resource. What is energy resource? Such as petrol, kerosene and gas. Those all comes under the energy resources. So let us discuss and try to answer this and differentiate the metallic and non-metallic minerals. What is iron ore? Iron ore is a metallic mineral. Yes. And bauxite. Bauxite is aluminium ore. So what is that? It is also a metallic mineral. And then next coal. Coal is non-metallic as well as energy source. It is not only the non-metallic mineral but also it is an energy source also. What is limestone, children? Yes, it is non-metallic. And then gypsum also is non-metallic mineral. Mica is also non-metallic mineral. Petroleum. What is petroleum, children? It is energy source. And sand. Sand is non-metallic mineral. So I hope you have understood in a better way the difference between the metallic and non-metallic minerals. So let us go for the next topic. Kinds of resources. There are two different kinds of resources, children. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. What are renewable resources? The renewable resources are those resources which can be regenerated again and again. Okay, for example, wood. So how we can regenerate wood? Suppose, for example, before that, if you cut a tree and if you plant another tree, there is a hope that you will be getting the same amount of wood which you have cut now after some years. That is, wood is getting regenerated. Whereas non-renewable resources, the resources which cannot be regenerated back, those are called as non-renewable resources. For example, rock. Suppose if you outcrop the rock and if you for the granite purposes, for construction purposes, you have outcropped the rock. Can you get back the same amount of the rock again? No, it is not possible. It means that it is a non-renewable resource. Children, you have understood the difference between renewable resources and non-renewable resources? Okay. Here is a small activity which you need to do. So, classify the following natural objects into renewable and non-renewable resources: coal, bamboo, seawater, marble, iron ore and diamond. So, let us go for understanding this renewable resources. What are renewable resources and what are non-renewable resources among these? Coal. Yes, it is non-renewable resource. Bamboo, it is renewable resource. Seawater, it is a renewable resource. Do you remember water cycle, children? Yes. So, water, it is getting evaporated, getting condensed, the precipitation aspect will take place and again it returns in the form of rain. So, water, seawater is definitely a renewable resource. Marble is non-renewable. You cannot get back the marble again. Iron ore is also non-renewable. And diamonds, if you take out the diamonds from the diamond mines, you cannot get the diamonds back. Is it not, children? Yes. So, this also comes under the non-renewable resource. Shall we go to the next? Yes. Now, let us study some of the important minerals and their uses such as iron, mica, limestone, manganese, barytes and feldspar. So, each one we will discuss in detail. Iron ore. What is iron ore? We have discussed it is a metallic mineral. In our state, we get hematite and magnetite iron ore deposits. And it is used in steel industry, pelletization, sponge iron and pig iron industries. It is also exported to Japan. Children, now let us study about mica. Mica is a shiny mineral. You can see the picture here. Is it not shining? Yes. It is extensively used in electrical and electronic industries. It has many properties which makes it useful. It comes in thin layers and it is a non-conductor of electricity. Means electricity cannot pass through mica easily. Yes, children. Now let us go for the next topic, that is next mineral, limestone. Limestone is used in cement, carbide, iron and steel industries, soda ash, chemical, sugar, paper industry, fertilizer industries and glass industries. You can see the picture of limestone here. Children, let us study about the granite. It is used for in cutting and polishing industry, decorative panels, monuments, making up of the monuments and flooring panels also. You can see the granite stone over here. Children, now let us study about manganese. You can see the picture of manganese here. Yes. So, it is used in potassium permanganate, ferroalloys, iron and steel, batteries, chemicals, ceramic and glass industries. Children, now let us study about barytes. This is a group of ores from which an element called barium is extracted. Barium is used for industrial and medical purposes. Barytes is also used in drilling deep holes, petroleum and natural gas. Means barytes is used for digging deep holes also. In digging the holes, it is used. Children, now let us study about feldspar. It is one of the raw material which is used in making the glass and ceramic ware, such as you might have seen the wash basins in our homes, children. So, for making the wash basin and similar type of equipment, this feldspar is utilized for. Children, now let us study about the mineral resources of Telangana. What are the different minerals which are present in Telangana and how it makes Telangana a rich state? Telangana is a house of various minerals, especially coal, iron ore, limestone, dolomite, manganese, quartz, feldspar, clays, barytes, uranium, black and color granites, marbles, etc. So, we are equipped with so many minerals. Is it not, children? Yes. See, Telangana is bestowed with so many minerals. Let us study about each mineral, such as we have barytes, coal, granite, iron ore, limestone and mica. About each of the mineral in separate maps of Telangana. Let us first study about iron ore deposits. Telangana is endowed with number of scattered medium grade iron ore deposits in Barium forest and float iron deposits in revenue and patta lands of Mahbubabad district, and low grade iron ore deposits in Peddapalli and Manchiryal district. See here, children, in the map of Telangana we can locate all these places. Here is Mahbubabad, where in Barium forest the float iron as well as the medium grade iron ore, scattered iron ore deposits are present. And even there are iron ore deposits of low grade, scattered low grade iron ore deposits in Peddapalli and also in Manchiryal district. We also can find the iron ore deposits in other places such as in Nizamabad and in Khammam. Children, now let us go for the next mineral, limestone deposit. So, vast limestone deposits are being mined by cement industry in Nalgonda, Vikarabad, Peddapalli and Manchiryal district. Locate all these places in the map of Telangana. See, Tanik, Warangal rural, Bhadradri Kottagudem, Mahbubnagar district and in Adilabad district. So, in all these places we can find huge limestone deposits. Children, now let us go for the other mineral, the granite deposits. The tan brown granite deposits are found in Karimnagar district, which is unique in the sense special, nowhere it is found. So, and they are being exported on a large scale by the private sector, and depending upon the proportion of reddish brown color of the marble, they are also being exported to countries, foreign countries, that is to China and even in South Asian countries. So, let us locate these places in the map of Telangana. See here, children, this is Karimnagar, where the tan brown granite deposits are found, and even in Nizamabad, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri, Sangareddy, Vikarabad and Jayashankar Bhupalpalli district and Bhadradri Kottagudem. In all these places the granite deposits are there, but more specially in Karimnagar district the tan brown granite deposits are more famous, and they are even being exported to other countries also. Children, about uranium let us discuss now. It is found in Nalgonda district only. Uranium deposits are found at Lambapur, Pulicharla, Nammapuram and Yellampuram in Nalgonda district. Here it is found. Children, now let us learn about coal deposits. Telangana is the only state in the entire South India that contains vast deposits of coal and is being mined by Singareni Collieries Company Limited. So coal deposits are very important. At the same time, it is our state is the only state in the entire South India which is having vast coal deposits, and they are mined by Singareni Collieries Company. Let us locate all these coal deposits in the map of Telangana. Children, coal deposits are found in Adilabad district, Jagityal district, Jayashankar Bhupalpalli district, and also in Bhadradri Kottagudem district. Children, now let us study about how the minerals are mined. What is mining, children? Extracting or digging the soil from deep inside and extraction of the minerals from deep inside the soil. It is called as mining. So let us understand how the mining is done. Mining the minerals, there are two methods how the mining or extraction of the minerals is done. They are open cast mining and underground mining. What is open cast mining and underground mining? Let us understand. If a large pit is made and minerals are extracted, it is called as open cast mining. So there is no hole dug or deep inside they will not go, but they will just dig a large pit and they will extract the minerals in that large pit only. Such mining is called as open cast mining. So after it is done, they will blast the rocks and they will remove the minerals from those rocks. They will blasts are made and minerals are removed from the rocks. See here, you can see an open pit here and they have dug the open pit, is it not? And from where the minerals will be extracted. This is how open cast mining is done, children. Children, now let us understand what is underground mining. When underground tunnels are built to mine minerals that lie deep inside the soil, it is called as underground mining. As I said, they will make the hole on the earth and they will go deep inside along with the pipes, and till where they will reach up to the place where the minerals are located. So in such a way, if underground tunnels are dug, that kind of mining, it is called as underground mining. So you can see the picture here, underground mining. So just how we dig, you must be knowing how the bore wells are dug, children. Yes, how the bore wells are dug, there will be a hole they will dug and deep inside the pipes will go, is it not? So they will dig the bore well. Similarly, in the same way, the mining also is done under the underground mining. So in the Bombay High, underground mining is done to extract the crude petroleum near Mumbai. This is the picture of Bombay High. It is the only place where in India petroleum is extracted, and this place is located near Mumbai, from where the petroleum is extracted. Children, I hope you have understood the open cast mining and under cast mining in a better way. Now let us go for the next concept. Now let us study about the advantages and disadvantages of mining. What are the advantages, benefits of mining? Is it not? And what are the disadvantages? That is, what are the problems after if we undergo for the mining? So let us study them in detail. Advantages of mining. So mining is very important for the growth and development of human race. Imagine life without minerals. We have so many minerals around us. We have iron, we have copper, we have silver, we have gold, we have mica, limestone. So many minerals are there around us. And for the transportation industry also, which is the basic for the development, it is also there because of the minerals. So we cannot imagine development, we cannot imagine growth without the minerals. So they are very, very important. And it also gives employment to nearly 10 lakh people in India and over 1 lakh people in Telangana. So it is also creating the employment opportunities to the people. So now let us discuss the disadvantages of mining. disadvantages such as it disturbs the surface area. It gives a lot of disturbance. Entire region has to be dug, and if even any villages are there or people, residential places are there, they have to be evacuated because of the mining being undertaken by the officers. It results in the cutting of the forest, destroying fields and inhabitations, that is the residing of the people. People will be living in that particular place. It also creates pits and mounds, which causes a lot of damage. It needs a lot of water to wash the minerals, which results in polluting the nearby water resources such as rivers. So, it needs a lot of water, means if any river is going from that place, so if they are washing those minerals in that particular water, it leads to the pollution of that river. The land becomes useless for other purposes such as farming. Once the mining has been started in a particular area, that land becomes completely useless for the farming purpose. People who live in the nearby areas, that is the people who are residing to these mines, also face a lot of problems. Children, the work of the miners is also hazardous. What is hazardous? It is dangerous, as they are constantly exposed to accidents, and apart from that, they also inhale the poisonous substances from the mines, so which cause long-term health damages. There is a disease called black lung disease, so which occurs to the miners. So these are all the disadvantages of the mineral extraction, that is mining. So let us go for the next concept. To whom do the minerals belong? Children, you must be thinking that the minerals are located deep inside the soil, is it not? Then who are the owners of these minerals? Can you guess who are the owners of these minerals? Yes, people who are living in that particular state, country or in that area, to those people the minerals belong to. Yes, minerals belong to the people of the country. So, they should be used for the interest of the people. That is, they should be utilized for the benefit of the people. So, with this we have come to the end of the session, children. Let us go for the evaluation part. Evaluation. You have to read the textbook carefully, children, and also discuss with your friends and try to answer these questions. What are renewable and non-renewable minerals? Give some examples. The second question is, locate the following on the map of Telangana. Coal deposits in Telangana, iron ore deposits in Telangana, limestone deposits in Telangana. The third question is, what is open cast mining and underground mining? Identify the minerals found in your district and write few sentences about them. The fifth question is, how are minerals helpful to us in our daily life? So, I hope you are going to find the answers for these questions, children. Okay. So, and also that you have understood the lesson in a more better way. Is it not, children? You have understood the lesson? Okay. Even you can go through the textbook, and for better understanding of the concept, solve the worksheets. Visit the site of SIET for worksheets. See you in the next session, children. Until then, thank you.